Hi, second unboxing of Baby 3. This one came the same one as the previous, where it was all like squished. It was like truly, this was like flat when I got it. But I'm so excited. This is the Baby 3 Elf plush blind box, but really all of them look like just like little insects. They're so cute. So what do I like? I kind of like all of them. They're so cute. They're all so cute. Okay, which one do I not want? I just don't want the tortoise. That's all I want. So anyone. No, don't want that. But all the other ones I'm good with. Okay. If you know anything about Baby 3, you'll know that, or if you're new to Baby 3, I'll quickly explain. These are blind boxes. Sort of like Labubu's, but you know. Not as like popular, and they have interchangeable faces. So what I mean by that is that you can take this off if you don't like the face and you can change it with another one as well. And there are different rarity of eyes. So there are googly eyes, there are eyes with liquid inside that's really sparkly, there are heterochromia eyes, etc., etc. And then their expression as well as their little makeup and hair color are all random as well. Like everything's random. So it's like even if you get the same one and it's like a dupe, it really won't be the same one because it might have a different face. And it also won't necessarily match the card in here. All right, so putting that away. Oh, so cute, so cute. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm not sure which one it could be. I feel wings, I want to say. The very small wings. Maybe it's the firefly? Okay, I'm going to guess that it is the firefly. Okay, flipping it this way. So we can... Oh! It's the apis? I'm not sure what that is, actually. I'd have to search it up, like what kind of... Okay, oh my god. So excited! And you can see that's the Baby 3 tag. It's got two little antennae. And, oops, my hair's in the way. This is the tag that it comes with, in case you are also going to get one. All right. Face reveal. Oh my god, another googly-eyed one. So cute. But he's blue-haired as well. My previous one was also blue-haired. Oh my god. And such cute blue makeup to match his hair. I like this face. It's cute. I like the googly eyes too. They're like my favorite. I would say that this is my favorite next to the one with the side to side, not the 360, because these ones you can make them like look up as well. But yeah, I definitely like these ones better than the rare eyes that everyone really likes, because I think these kind of give them a lot more character. All right, and what does he smell like? Super faint. The other one, the Where is Spring collection, is like very strong floral. This is like just a little bit of a sweet flavor. All right,